Hello, I, Dr. Rami Rahul, practicing gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon, is back with my video on breast cancer awareness. Today we will talk about breast cancer awareness in detail. So I would request all the viewers to see this video till end because I am going to explain about breast examination in detail. Okay. Now talking about breast cancer is important because of its increasing incidence. In last data in 2018, 1,62,000 new cases were diagnosed of breast cancer, of which 87,000 women expired due to breast cancer in the same year. So the data suggests that every 4 minutes one new case is diagnosed of breast cancer, and every 8 minutes we are losing one woman due to breast cancer in India, which is a very high rate of death in India. Now today first we will talk about what are the risk factors of breast cancer. Risk factors are if you have a genetic history or you have any other ovarian cancer or breast cancer in the family, first degree, second degree or third degree relative if is having breast cancer, then you are at a higher risk. Or you have a unhealthy lifestyle, eating more of processed food, more fatty food or trans fatty acid are more in the diet, then this or you are not having a healthy lifestyle, you do not have a regular exercise, then all these things will increase the risk of breast cancer. Also, if you have a early menarche before the age of 12 years or you have a late menopause, that menses are still on even after the age of 50 years, then it is an increased risk. Also, those who are taking oral contraceptive pills for more than 5 years are also at a higher risk. Now we will see some points that how we can decrease our risk of breast cancer. First thing is healthy diet. More of vegetables, more fruits and more of plenty of water. Second thing is regular exercise of more than 30 to 40 minutes, regular yoga and pranayam. Fourth thing is avoid smoking, avoid alcohol intake. All the female, I will request if possible, they should avoid tight undergarments, avoid black color as far as possible. And if those who are lactating mothers, they should continue breastfeeding for more than 1 to 1.5 years, which decreases the risk of breast cancer significantly. All the women should try to remove the undergarments while sleeping at night because it helps to increase the air circulation and blood circulation over there and decreases the risk of development of breast cancer. Now after this changes in the lifestyle, we will go to breast self-examination. I will teach you how you should do breast self-examination. It is to be done once in every month. This should be done after completion of your periods, because in periods also some women suffer from breast pain and little bit of swelling. So you should fix one date that after periods on this day you will mark the date in the calendar and perform it regularly every month. Now it is to be done in 2 steps. First is during shower in the bathroom and second is while lying down on the bed. Now first thing, in during shower you should stand in front of the mirror in these 3 positions. What you should see is, first is the your breast size both sides symmetrical, is there any change in the shape of the breast or any swelling, or there is any mass or any change in the color of your skin, or there is any dimpling or any discharge from the nipple, or orange peel skin also develops, is also early sign of cancer. While seeing these things, if everything is normal, then you should go for a second step, which is palpation. In palpation, or feeling your breast firmly should be with the flat of your finger surface like this, and it can be in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, or it can be from above downwards or from below to up, or in this direction. But be careful that any of the breast tissue is not left out. in examination, and palpation of the nipple and the brown part around it, that is called areola. That palpation is also very important. While performing the breast tissue examination, you also see that you palpate the axilla or your armpit, because sometimes swellings are present over there also. And after completion of this, the second step is, while lying down in the bed, you need to perform these same steps again. If everything is normal, then you should continue monthly self-examination. But if you find anything suspicious or doubtful, then you should go to your gynecologist for clinical breast examination, because sometimes you may miss something but your clinician will not. After in the 20 to 30 years of age group, you should continue this way, the breast self examination. After 30 years, you should go once in a year to your gynecologist for clinical checkup. From after 40 years, you should go for mammography, and from 40 to 50 years, the mammography should be every 2 to 3 years. But after 50 years, because the risk increases with age, you should go for once in a year mammography. Now, why mammography is important? Mammography is important because you may miss, and your gynecologist may also miss, the small or early development of swellings or mass in your breast, but mammography will detect it earlier. Now, you should not be afraid of mammography. It is not any invasive procedure, it is not painful, it is just like a digital x-ray. So mammography will help in the early detection. Now, the most important risk of breast cancer in India is that they are female are not coming for clinical breast examination, and because of this they are missing the early changes in the breast. So early detection is the only way to decrease the death rate in breast cancer. Because once if we diagnose breast cancer in early stage, then with simple surgery of removal of that mass or the tissue, we can easily treat the breast cancer, and it does not lead to death. So by this explanation, I wish that more and more female will now indulge in regular breast self-examination, once in a year clinical breast examination, and when suggested, mammography has to be done, or after 40 years mammography should be started as a complete, you should take it as a normal health checkup. By this way we can come out of breast cancer. Those who have a positive family history in the house, then they should definitely start mammography from the age of 35 itself. Only then and then we can prevent the increase in the breast cancer. Now I think I have covered all the important points regarding it. Share with your female friends, your relatives, and make maximum number of people aware, and teach them the breast self examination, and you yourself also do it very well. I will be back with my another video in a short time. Till then, goodbye.